12 amazing health benefits of carrots juice. Welcome to Natural Cures. We provide daily videos on a wide range on health issues. So, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you never miss out any of our videos. Carrot is a root that can bring health to people, beautify skin, hair, help you prevent cancer and anti-aging. It gives you lots of vitamin A and other antioxidants. Now, we are going to disclose you the 12 most amazing health benefits of carrots juice. Number 1. Good for your eyes. Carrots contain abundant amounts of beta-carotene, which converted into the body is converted into vitamin A in the liver. This vitamin is converted in the retina and becomes rhodopsin, the purple pigment necessary for night vision. Beta-carotene helps improve night vision and protects against eye diseases such as glaucoma, cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. It is also helpful in night blindness and reduces the risk of macular degeneration by 40%. Number 2. Cardiovascular protection. Regular consumption of carrots juice helps to protect your heart from oxidation, plaque formation and bad cholesterol. Because carrots juice contain lots of antioxidants, polyacetylenes, alpha-carotene and lutein, they together provide a protective shield for the heart. Number 3. Carrots juice cure cancer. According to many studies, carrots are rich in antioxidants polyacetylene and falcarinol, so it helps fight cancer by destroying precancerous cells in tumors such as lung cancer and breast cancer. It also inhibits the growth of colon cancer cells and supports the health of the digestive system and reduces colon cancer. Number 4. Boost the immune system. Regularly eating carrots creates a protective shield for the body because carrots contain many nutrients and antioxidants along with vitamin C to help boost the immune system. Number 5. Help for digestion. Carrots are a good source of fiber that helps in regulating and supporting digestion. It is also beneficial in times of constipation and excess acid. Besides, it also aids in losing weight and avoiding hyperglycemia. Number 6. Body Cool Bar. Carrots contain abundant amounts of vitamin A, which helps flush out toxins and fats in the liver from the body and reduce the accumulation of bile and cleanse the colon by helping to eliminate substances waste. Number 7. Prevent aging. In addition to protecting the eyes, the beta-carotene in carrots is an antioxidant that helps prevent damage to cells and helps the body to have regular metabolism. So, it helps slow down the aging of cells. Number 8. Beneficial for women. Because the phytoestrogens in carrots help reduce menstrual pain and bleeding at menstrual periods. It is also beneficial for postmenopausal women as it helps to get rid of hot flashes and stabilize other menopausal symptoms. Just 1 cup of carrot juice is enough, okay? Carrots are especially helpful during pregnancy because they aid in proper fetal development and reduce the risk of fetal infection and miscarriage, so, pregnant mothers need to drink carrots juice regularly. Number 9. Provide calcium and prevent stroke. Carrots contain a lot of calcium. It is important for the growth and development of bones in children and women. Also, those who consumed more than 6 carrots a week were less likely to have a stroke than those who ate only 1 carrot a month or less. Number 10. Weight loss. Eating a lot of carrots will regulate blood sugar levels because it has carotenoids, which helps control blood pressure and balance the proportion of alkaline acids in the body. It also aids digestion and is beneficial in weight loss. Number 11. Benefits for the skin. Carrots are great for your skin, thanks to the abundant amounts of vitamins A, C and other antioxidants that fight various skin problems and help in maintaining skin health. What you need to do is mix mashed carrots with some honey and apply it as a mask to get glowing, smooth skin. Without honey, carrot juice is effective in removing stains and scars. Antioxidants and carotenoids protect the skin and increase immunity against the sun and heal sunburns. In fact, the use of carrot juice in the summer acts as a natural sunscreen. Carrots also have great healing effects. Raw or mashed carrots can be used for wounds, cuts, and inflammation for quick healing. Its anti-inflammatory properties help regenerate and firm the skin. Number 12. Carrots juice help to increase hair health. You should drink carrot juice daily to help stimulate hair growth as well as thicken your hair. The vitamin C and vitamin E in carrots help improve blood circulation in the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth and preventing graying. So, how to make carrots juice? At first, wash the carrots with clean water properly, cut them into manageable pieces and put into a blender with some filtered water. Blend them properly until get your desired puree. You can separate the juice into a new container. Now your juice is ready to consume. We hope this information is useful for you. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you would like to see any particular videos, please comment below. So, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks a lot for watching our videos.